Hello Pointagrammers, this is Johnny with a short demo. Pointagram provides a gamification platform with a mission to help organizations and entrepreneurs to grow and nurture team players, employees, partners, and customers. Well, anything. It's the best do-it-yourself gamification platform out there. Today we're diving into a basic overview of Pointagram. In the standard setup, we have the feed as a starting page. It shows latest activities such as awarded badges, competition invites, recent scores, and more. The feed allows players to interact with each other and celebrate great wins together. When most people think of gamification, they imagine leaderboards and competitions. This is to build a transparent and engaging environment. Under the competition component, a player can see all their competitions and leaderboards. There are several themes and types to select from: flying airplanes, car races, traditional list leaderboards, and more. Compete as player versus player, team versus team, or work together towards a common goal. If you ever played a video game, you know the concept of badges. Badges are collectible achievements that are earned by fulfilling targets. There are several badge types and configurations that can be applied. An example can be building badge levels. Earn a specific level when reaching the right number of points and then continue on to the next level. Other examples are recurring time-based badges that are earned weekly when hitting target numbers. Quest is a way to grow and get insights. Use Quest to share content, ask surveyed questions, and make challenging quizzes. When players complete the quest, they earn points. Then, you're able to display the points on the leaderboard. It's a great way to engage, educate, and collect insights. Let's jump down to Widget Boards. Widget Boards allows for sharing metrics, bar and line charts, KPIs, latest scores, and more. There can also be different access levels. It's a great way of sharing data and displaying it on a TV screen. Let's jump to the profile page. The profile page shows the player's picture and backdrop. It's possible to visualize the player's badge level as well. The page has a tab system that shows won and ongoing competitions, completed and ongoing badges, completed and ongoing quests, shared widget boards, and status. Status shows the player metrics and is a customizable page. Let's look into the reward store. Pointagram allows you to create one of several currencies: coins, diamonds, dollars, name them whatever you wish. These currencies can then be used to set up a reward store with items to purchase. It's a great way of building incentivizing programs. Thank you for watching the basic overview. Next couple seconds is just me clicking through the navigation to show each feature's main page. Have a nice day.